So let's get right to the story. A young lady did not put the car in park. Her boyfriend went in. She thought it was in park, but it was in drive. She hit the pedal. She went straight through this window. And I asked the people inside what happened, and I videoed. And then my wife said, you shouldn't be videoing that. I said, it is outside, it's public knowledge. So you got to make sure your foot is on the brake. Hey, what is your favorite smoothie from Tropical Smoothie? Let me know. What's your favorite smoothie before I go in? Type it in. Okay. I like the Bahama Mama. I haven't been here in a while. I like the Beach Bum. Mango, what's up? Love that mango. Now, Jackson, I got some gift cards to McDonald's. I got another gift card to Dunkin' Donuts. Would you like a gift card to Tropical Smoothie? Right? You just let me know. Is there a Tropical Smoothie in your location? Right? Because, when you give, you receive. So what I'm asking you, Jackson, do you want a gift card to McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, or to Trop? Type it in right now. You tell me. We're just chilling a moment. Okay? We got our first errand done. We got our pies. We went back on McDonald's. Gotcha. And then we'll reach out on Instagram, and then, we'll talk. We'll go live later because, at 3:30 we got to be at the relative's house. We always late. Good morning. Hey, how you doing? What's up, Jay? Jay, we're pretending all of you are here with me. I'm your uncle. We driving. We got some pies. Okay, I'm going to switch screens a second. Okay, we got some pies. This is $40 in pies. These are French silk pies, right? $45. Got those. Then my Wi-Fi went dead and YouTube kicked me out. Then I restarted. So we got $45. Hey, if this is bringing you value, give it a thumbs up. Let's show this algorithm, because this is what you're really going to be doing. You're going to be running errands. The youngest in the house, put $100 in your account. Go get gift cards. Go get this. Go get that. Right? That's what you're doing. Okay? So, Jackson, I got you. So we have $45, might just say 50 in pies, putting this on the floor, right? Another client was driving yesterday. These are dried mangoes. You guys like dried mangoes? I tried one, they're pretty good. So we got the dried mangoes. Your uncle loves coffee. I always have my water. And then I had the crispy hash browns, but they gone. So we got to keep the car clean because Auntie gets mad. So, and you see what I'm doing? You got to keep your car clean because your auntie will get mad. All right. So I'm gonna switch the screen. I got to get 2 gift cards, so $25 each for Tropical Smoothie. Then, do we go to Ulta Beauty next, or do we go to the Money Machine and get $200 cash out, because those are for other family members? So I'm just keeping it real. You're gonna be running those errands. I'm gonna switch screens. I don't want to slip and fall. I really don't. Okay, so I had the keys in my pocket. No one's trying to steal this. Okay, I gotta go in. Watch me.